GoHighLevel marketing automation sounds a bit advanced, right? But don't worry. In this video, we are breaking it down in the simplest way so that even if you have never used any automation tool before, you will walk away with a full understanding of how GoHighLevel can save your time and get you more lead and make your business run smoother than ever. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, consider subscribing and don't forget to check the link in the description. You can get a 30 days free trial, access to the live bootcamps and some exclusive bonuses to help you to get started the right away. Alright, now let's dive in. So what exactly is marketing automation? In GoHighLevel, think of it like your personal assistant who never sleeps. It helps you to automatically follow up with the leads and email or messages, booking appointments, and even move people through your sales funnel, all without having to lift a finger every time. For example, let's say someone fills out a form on your website. Instead of you manually sending them a welcome email, GoHighLevel can do it instantly. Then, after a few hours, it can send another message checking in or sharing a special offer. This keeps your audience warm and engaged without you constantly doing the same repetitive task. Now, everything in GoHighLevel starts inside something called workflow. This is where the magic happens. You can create the sequence of action that happen automatically based on the triggers. A trigger can be anything like a new lead who signing up, a customer who booking a call, or even a tag being added to their profile. Then once the trigger happen, you can set the action like sending an email and text a message, adding them to a pipeline, or creating a task for you or your team. And the best part is it's all just drag and drop. So no coding, no stress. Just easy click and simple setup. So if you are a beginner, one of the most thing to start with a simple follow-up automation. For example, when someone joins your list, GoHighLevel can send a thank you message right away and wait 2 days and then send another email introducing your offer or your services. You can even add the conditions like if someone opens the email, send them another message. If not, then send them a reminder. So it's super flexible, and once you try it, you will see how powerful it can be. Another cool part of GoHighLevel automation is the SMS and the voicemail drop. So not only you can email your lead, but you can also text them automatically or send a pre-recorded voicemail without actually calling. It's a great way to stay connected and feel more personal. Now, one thing you will love about GoHighLevel is how everything is connected. You don't need to jump between different apps or funnels, emails, or messages. Everything runs inside one dashboard. That's why so many businesses are switching from multiple tools to GoHighLevel. It saves money, time, and a lot of headache. So if I sum it up, marketing automation is in GoHighLevel help you to work smarter, not harder. It handles your lead nurturing, keeps your communication consistent, and frees you to focus on what really matters, like growing your business. And remember, if you want to try GoHighLevel yourself, use our special link in the description for the 30 days free trial, the bootcamp, and some exclusive bonus that will make your setup journey a lot easier. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.